Hello, welcome to Tommy's Nerf Nest. Let's see how this works. Oh yeah, it's motorized for sure. Hang on, let's see why this ain't working. Let's see why this isn't working. Alright, now it's supposed to work. Why isn't it working? That's weird. What battery's in it? It's supposed to work. It's a bubble machine. It's not powerful enough? Okay, I don't get this thing. Why isn't it working? I don't get it. It should be working. Should still be working. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Let's get to unboxing the pistol first. The Dart Zone Covert Ops Storm Squad. Yeah, let's open this. There we go. Got the pistol. It's basically just the before version of the Adventure Force Jurassic Blue, before they made it into a dinosaur. But now, this one has a scope. And it's got 4 barrels for 4 Dart Zone. What do they call them? Ruby darts, but full length ruby darts. Got one more blaster to unbox after this. I'll grab this, load the 4 darts in. I love the colors, the red and the green. Speaking of red and green, there's a new blaster coming out. It's another version of North 2.0 Ace, but the Christmas version. Yeah, let's see how this shoots. Oh wow. That shoots pretty good for a 4-dart pistol. Last dart. That was awesome. 4 darts, shot out. Now let's open the big blaster. After I see if I can figure this out, it should be working. All I'm feeling is air going through it. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get why it's not working. Next, I'm unboxing the Air Warriors Tornado. There we go. It's the easiest way to open it. There we go. Easiest way to open it without cutting it. To do it too. There we go. So I got that part almost out. No way. I know what I gotta do. Just gonna pull it like this. we go. Broke that one off. There we go. Got the blaster. Didn't expect it to do that right away. Now, need the mag. The mag out of here. It's a 14 dart banana mag. See how it looks inside it. Is that all? Wow. That is awesome sounding. This thing doesn't sound that good. Doesn't sound that good. Dang. Sounds amazing. No batteries needed, but it has flywheels with no batteries. It's insane. I'm loving that. Loving how that one is. No batteries needed for a flywheeling blaster. That's way different. Does Nerf have any non-battery powered flywheel blasters? I have no idea. You can let me know down in the comments. I just need the darts. Need 14. This is a 14 dart mag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a heavy duty mag too. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, last one, and 14. Now load it in. Let's do some shooting. Let's do some shooting. Wow. Emptied the mag quick. Emptied the mag really quick. Let's load the last 6 in. Oh, what the heck. Let's just do it. Let's full send it. 4, 5, 6. Oh, see how fast I can empty 6 out. It says you can empty the whole mag in seconds. Woo! This thing is fun. The tornado. This is awesome. Looks good with the mag too. This thing is cool. It's got a paddle release. So now, let's review this blaster. It's better than the used one I had. It definitely works better. The used one I had was terrible. This actually looks better. I was thinking that I wasn't going to get that because the last one sucked. Let's just get this to shoot real quick. See if I can get this to shoot. I don't think these batteries are powerful enough. So that's quiet. It's really quiet. I need more expensive batteries than these ones. It's not shooting anything out of it. That's very weird. I don't know why it's doing that. That's weird. Now, I want to review this. 10 out of 10 on this thing. 10 out of 10 on this flywheeling blaster. And no batteries need to flywheel it. This is actually my favorite Air Warriors blaster now. My favorite blaster now. This is one of the best blasters in Air Warriors history. This thing's my favorite. 10 out of 10 Air Warriors. Finally made a blaster that I love more than any of them. In Dart Zone, I need something motorized. This ain't gonna get me very far. I need the Omnia Pro. And for a Nerf Pro, I need the Nerf Strife X, or Nerf Pro Strife X. Yeah, this thing ain't powerful. This also does work great as a foregrip. It's not working. Which I think is not cool for paying $5 for this. $5 for a bubble gun and it don't even work. What? The batteries work, but nothing else does. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Peace.